In this video, we will talk about Top 10 Strange Dog Behaviors Explained, Facts about Dogs. Dogs have been our loyal companions for thousands of years, yet their behaviors can sometimes puzzle us. Here are the top 10 strange dog behaviors explained, providing insight into why dogs do what they do and helping you better understand your furry friend. 1. Tail chasing. What it is? Tail chasing is when a dog spins around in circles, trying to catch its own tail. Why it happens? Tail chasing can occur for several reasons. 1. Playfulness. Often young dogs chase their tails simply because it's fun and they have a lot of energy. Puppies in particular have boundless energy and are always looking for ways to entertain themselves. To them, their tail is just another toy. 2. Attention seeking. Dogs may chase their tails to get attention from their owners. If they notice that tail chasing gets a reaction, they might repeat the behavior. Dogs are highly social animals and crave attention from their humans. 3. Boredom. Lack of mental and physical stimulation can lead dogs to find entertainment in their own tails. When dogs don't have enough activities to keep them occupied, they might turn to their tail as a source of amusement. 4. Medical issues. Sometimes, tail chasing can indicate medical problems such as fleas, anal gland issues, or obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. If a dog is experiencing discomfort or itching, it might chase its tail in an attempt to alleviate the sensation. What to do? If your dog chases its tail occasionally, it's usually harmless. However, if the behavior becomes excessive, it's important to consult a vet to rule out any medical issues. Providing more exercise, toys, and mental stimulation can help reduce tail chasing due to boredom or seeking attention. 2. Eating grass. What it is, dogs often nibble on grass when they're outside. Why it happens? There are a few theories about why dogs eat grass. 1. Dietary needs. Some believe dogs eat grass to supplement their diet with nutrients they might be lacking. Grass contains certain nutrients and fiber that might be missing from a dog's regular diet. 2. Indigestion relief. Dogs might eat grass to induce vomiting when they have an upset stomach. This self-medication behavior is thought to help dogs clear their digestive system. 3. Instinct. As descendants of wild canines, domestic dogs may have an instinct to consume plant material. Wild ancestors of dogs often ate the stomach contents of their herbivore prey, which included plant material. 4. Boredom. Like tail chasing, eating grass can also be a way to pass time when dogs are bored. If a dog isn't mentally or physically stimulated enough, it might turn to grass as a form of entertainment. What to do? Eating grass occasionally is usually not harmful. However, if your dog is eating large amounts of grass or appears to be sick, consult your vet. Ensuring your dog has a balanced diet and plenty of activities can help reduce grass eating due to boredom or dietary needs. 3. Rolling in smelly things. What it is, dogs sometimes roll in mud, garbage, or even animal feces. Why it happens? This behavior is perplexing, but here are some possible explanations. 1. Camouflage. In the wild, dogs might roll in smelly things to mask their scent from predators or prey. By covering themselves with different scents, they can become less noticeable to other animals. 2. Communication. Dogs could be trying to leave their scent on a particular object or bring back the scent to their pack. This is a form of scent marking and communication within the pack. 3. Enjoyment. Sometimes, dogs just enjoy the sensation or smell. Certain smells might be intriguing or pleasing to a dog, prompting them to roll in it. What to do? While this behavior is natural, it can be unpleasant for dog owners. Training your dog with commands like leave it or come can help divert them from rolling in undesirable places. Regular bathing and grooming can also help manage the aftermath if your dog does indulge in this behavior. 4. Circling before lying down. What it is, dogs often circle several times before settling down to sleep or rest. Why it happens? This behavior has roots in wild canine behavior. 1. Comfort. Circling can help dogs find a comfortable position. By circling, they can adjust the surface and create a cozy spot to lie down. 2. Safety in the wild. Circling helps to flatten the grass and spot any hidden dangers. This behavior ensures that the area is safe and free from potential threats. 3. Temperature regulation. Circling might help create a warmer or cooler spot to rest. Dogs may adjust their sleeping area to suit their body temperature needs. What to do? This behavior is generally harmless and instinctive, so there's no need to intervene. Providing a comfortable and safe sleeping area for your dog can help them feel secure and relaxed. 5. Barking at nothing. What it is, sometimes dogs bark seemingly at nothing, which can be confusing and frustrating for owners. Why it happens? Several factors can cause this behavior. 1. Senses. Dogs have keen senses and might hear or smell things that humans can't detect. They might be responding to distant noises, wildlife, or even changes in the environment. 2. Attention. Dogs may bark to get attention, especially if they've learned that barking gets a reaction. This behavior can be reinforced if owners consistently respond to barking. 3. Anxiety. Barking can be a sign of anxiety or fear, such as separation anxiety or fear of a perceived threat. Dogs might bark to express their discomfort or stress. What to do? Understanding the cause of the barking is crucial. Training, providing enough exercise, and sometimes consulting a vet or a dog behaviorist can help manage excessive barking. Using positive reinforcement to reward quiet behavior and ensuring your dog feels safe and secure can also be effective strategies. 6. Scooting. What it is, scooting involves a dog dragging its rear end along the ground. Why it happens? Scooting can be caused by 1. Anal gland issues. Full or infected anal glands are a common cause. When these glands are not emptied properly, they can cause discomfort, leading dogs to scoot. 2. Parasites. Worms or other parasites can cause irritation. Dogs might scoot to relieve the itching and discomfort caused by parasites. 3. Allergies. Food or environmental allergies can lead to itching and discomfort. Allergic reactions can cause irritation around the rear end, prompting dogs to scoot. What to do? If your dog is scooting frequently, a visit to the vet is necessary to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Regular grooming and checkups can help prevent and address the underlying issues causing scooting. 7. Tilting head. What it is? Dogs often tilt their heads to the side when they hear a sound or are spoken to. Why it happens? Head tilting can have several reasons. 1. Curiosity. Dogs might tilt their heads to better hear or see something. This behavior can help them focus on and understand sounds or sights. 2. Communication. They might be trying to understand and respond to human speech. Tilting their heads can help them interpret the tone and meaning of our words. 3. Ear issues. Sometimes, head tilting can indicate ear infections or other ear-related problems. If a dog is experiencing discomfort or imbalance, they might tilt their head. What to do? Head tilting is usually a sign of curiosity and engagement. However, if it's accompanied by signs of discomfort or imbalance, consult a vet to rule out any medical issues. Regular ear cleaning and checkups can help maintain ear health. 8. Howling. What it is, dogs sometimes howl, producing a long, drawn-out sound. Why it happens? Howling is a form of communication. 1. Ancestry. Howling is a behavior inherited from wolves, used to communicate over long distances. This vocalization helps maintain contact with other pack members. 2. Attention. Dogs may howl to get attention or express loneliness. Howling can be a way for dogs to communicate their need for companionship or interaction. 3. Response. They may howl in response to sounds like sirens, music, or other dogs. Certain sounds can trigger a howling response due to their pitch or similarity to other howls. What to do? Howling is generally normal, but excessive howling may require behavioral training or addressing underlying anxiety issues. Ensuring your dog has enough social interaction and mental stimulation can help reduce howling. 9. Pawing at you. Dogs are known for their charming and sometimes quirky behaviors, and one such behavior is pawing at their owners. When your dog uses its paws to tap or nudge you, it can be both endearing and puzzling. Understanding why dogs paw at you and how to respond appropriately can enhance your relationship with your furry friend. Some scenarios include: this discussion will explore what pawing means, why dogs engage in this behavior, and what you can do if it becomes excessive. What it is: pawing is a common form of communication used by dogs. It involves your dog using its paws to tap, nudge, or gently scratch you. This action is often accompanied by other body language cues, such as wagging tails, excited barks, or an expectant look in their eyes. While it might seem simple, pawing can convey a variety of messages from your dog. Why it happens: dogs paw at their owners for several reasons, each rooted in their need to communicate and connect. Understanding these reasons can help you respond in a way that meets your dog's needs while maintaining a balanced and healthy relationship. 1. Attention. One of the most common reasons dogs paw at you is to get your attention. Dogs are social animals and thrive on interaction with their human companions. When your dog paws at you, it might be asking for petting. Your dog might want to be petted or scratched. This form of physical affection is a significant part of the bond between dogs and their owners. Play. Sometimes, dogs paw to initiate play. They might be inviting you to engage in a game of fetch, tug-of-war, or any other playful activity. Food or treats. Pawing can also be a way for dogs to signal that they are hungry or want a treat. If it's close to mealtime, or if your dog sees you with food, it might paw at you to remind you of its presence. 2. Affection. Pawing can also be a sign of affection and bonding. Dogs are affectionate creatures that use physical touch to express their love and attachment. When your dog paws at you, it might be saying, "I love you." Pawing can be a dog's way of showing that it cares about you and wants to be close. Desire for interaction. Dogs might paw at you to initiate interaction, such as cuddling or spending time together. This behavior reinforces the bond between you and your pet. 3. Comfort. Dogs might also paw at you for comfort. This behavior can serve as a way for dogs to soothe themselves or provide comfort to you. Some scenarios include: self-soothing. Pawing can be a self-soothing behavior that helps dogs feel connected and secure, especially in unfamiliar or stressful situations. Comforting you. Dogs are sensitive to their owner's emotions and might paw at you if they sense you are upset or stressed. This behavior can be their way of offering comfort and reassurance. What to do? Pawing is usually harmless and often quite charming. However, if it becomes excessive, it can be disruptive or even annoying. Here are some strategies to manage and respond to your dog's pawing behavior. 1. Redirect attention. If your dog's pawing becomes too frequent or insistent, redirecting its attention can help. Engage your dog in an alternative activity that satisfies its need for attention without reinforcing the pawing behavior. For example, you can offer a toy. Give your dog a favorite toy to play with. This can divert its focus and reduce the need for pawing. Engage in training. Spend a few minutes practicing basic commands or tricks. This provides mental stimulation and redirects your dog's energy. 2. Reinforce positive behaviors. Encouraging and rewarding calm and appropriate behavior is key to managing pawing. When your dog approaches you calmly and refrains from pawing, offer praise, petting, or a treat. This reinforces the idea that calm behavior is rewarded, while excessive pawing is not. Positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and affection to reward your dog when it behaves calmly and does not paw excessively. Consistent responses. Be consistent in your responses. If you sometimes reward pawing with attention and other times ignore it, your dog might become confused and persist with the behavior. 3. Teach alternative ways to seek attention. Training your dog to use alternative ways to seek attention can be effective in reducing pawing. For example, you can teach your dog to sit or lie down when it wants your attention. Here's how you can do it. Command training. Teach your dog to respond to commands like sit or stay when it wants attention. Reward your dog for complying with the command instead of pawing. Use a signal. Train your dog to use a specific signal, such as ringing a bell or sitting in a particular spot, to request attention. This can be less intrusive and more manageable than pawing. 4. Provide sufficient exercise and mental stimulation. Ensuring that your dog gets enough physical exercise and mental stimulation can reduce the likelihood of excessive pawing. Dogs that are well exercised and mentally engaged are less likely to seek attention through persistent pawing. Consider the following: regular walks and playtime. Ensure your dog gets regular walks and play sessions to burn off excess energy. Interactive toys and puzzles. Provide toys and puzzles that challenge your dog's mind and keep it occupied. 5. Set boundaries and be patient. Setting boundaries is important in managing your dog's behavior. If pawing becomes excessive, it's essential to be patient and consistent in your approach. Avoid reinforcing the behavior by giving in to every pawing attempt. Instead, gently but firmly guide your dog towards more acceptable ways of seeking attention. Ignore excessive pawing. If your dog paws excessively, calmly ignore the behavior. Only give attention when your dog is calm and not pawing. Consistency. Consistency is crucial. Ensure that all family members respond to pawing in the same way to avoid confusing your dog. 10. Licking. Licking is a common behavior in dogs, and it can seem strange or excessive to us humans. Dogs lick people, objects, and themselves for various reasons, and understanding these reasons can help us ensure our furry friends are healthy and happy. What it is, licking is when dogs use their tongues to touch or taste something. This could be their owners, other animals, their toys, furniture, or even themselves. While it's a normal part of their behavior, it's essential to understand why they do it and when it might be a sign of something more serious. Why it happens. Licking serves multiple purposes in a dog's life. Here are the main reasons why dogs lick. 1. Affection. Dogs often lick their owners to show affection. This behavior is a way for dogs to express their love and bond with humans. When your dog licks you, it's similar to how humans give hugs or kisses. It's their way of saying, "I love you." Bonding. Licking helps strengthen the bond between you and your dog. It's a way for them to communicate their feelings. Comfort. Your dog might lick you when they are happy or feeling relaxed. It's a comforting action for them, and it helps them feel close to you. 2. Grooming. Licking is also a part of self-grooming. Dogs use their tongues to clean themselves and maintain their hygiene. Just like cats, dogs will lick their fur to keep it clean. Cleanliness. Licking helps remove dirt and loose fur from their bodies. It's their way of keeping clean. Health. By grooming themselves, dogs can also remove parasites like fleas and ticks. 3. Taste. Dogs explore their environment through taste. Licking helps them gather information about their surroundings. When dogs lick different objects or people, they are learning about the world around them. Exploration. Licking allows dogs to discover new tastes and textures. It's how they explore and understand their environment. Curiosity. If your dog licks a new object or person, it's often out of curiosity. They want to know more about it. 4. Healing. Licking wounds can be an instinctive behavior to clean and heal. When dogs have a cut or injury, they might lick it to help it heal faster and reduce discomfort. Cleaning. Licking can help clean a wound, removing dirt and debris. Healing. Some enzymes in a dog's saliva have mild antibacterial properties, which can aid in healing. What to do? While licking is normal, excessive licking can indicate allergies, anxiety, or other health issues. Here are some steps to manage your dog's licking behavior. 1. Observe the behavior. Pay attention to when and how often your dog licks. Noting the context can help you understand whether the licking is normal or excessive. Frequency. If your dog licks occasionally, it's usually harmless. But if the licking becomes constant, it's time to investigate further. Context. Observe what triggers the licking. Is it after meals, during playtime, or when they're anxious? 2. Check for health issues. If your dog is licking excessively, it might be a sign of underlying health problems. Common issues include allergies, skin infections, or parasites. Allergies. Dogs can have allergies to food, pollen, or other environmental factors. These allergies can cause itching and lead to excessive licking. Infections. Skin infections or hot spots can make a dog lick the affected area constantly. Look for redness, swelling, or unusual odors. Parasites. Fleas, Ticks and other parasites can cause discomfort and lead to excessive licking. 3. Consult a vet. If you're concerned about your dog's licking behavior, it's best to consult a veterinarian. They can help diagnose any health issues and recommend treatment. Medical checkup. A vet can perform tests to identify any underlying health problem. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.